How to make conversation between shopkeeper and customer. Let's see. Good evening, sir. How can I help you? Are you looking for something?
Yeah, I want to buy some daily goods for my house.
Okay, sir. Please give me the list of which you want.
Sorry, I have no list. Please write down what I say.
No problem, sir. I'm listing. Would you please sequentially tell those you need?
Please give me 10 kilograms sugar, 2 kilograms salt, 1 kilogram beans, and 2-liter cooking oil.
Wait a few minutes, sir. I'm packing your order.
Please do hurry. I have more shopping to do.
Few minutes later.
I have packed all the things. Here it is, sir.
What about my bill?
Here is your bill, sir. Please take.
Oh my God. So much money. Have you overcharged to me?
No, sir, not at all. We do not overcharge anyone. The bill is original.
I bought the same thing last month. Then the bill was 100 taka less than this bill.
The prices of everything has risen, sir. Sugar has got 5 taka high per kilogram. And also the matter with cooking oil.
So, why have you not displayed a notice board about new prices?
It is still with the printing press. I ordered it 5 days ago. They told me to deliver in 2 days. But they are still telling that I would get it in the evening.
Oh, that is incredible. Why prices have risen suddenly so high?
It is due to the rise in the price of fuel and transportation charges, sir.
Oh, I see. This is totally unfair. A poor person is already making both ends meet, and then this inflation. How would a poor man manage to get everyday necessities of life?
We have already charged very nominal piece to you, sir. Let me give you 20 taka discount.
It will be a good favor.
I hope the prices will not rise for the next 5 to 6 months. Here is your discount. Now pay the bill, sir.
Take the money. Here it is.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
You are welcome.